guys, Miss E is back and I want y'all to holla back. I don't know why I'm still doing this. I made that intro when I was like 12 years old, so. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a little synthetic wig install and just pretty much giving a review of the brand and the item. I got it from Sam's Beauty. I feel like everybody's heard of Sam's Beauty. I was actually scared of getting them at first because I just thought it was like, you know, when you order something and then versus when you buy it, I thought it was one of those type of stores. I'd actually heard of it first through the rapper named Cupcake or whatever. I was like, oh girl, where'd you get your hair? And then she DM'd me. She's like, oh, I got it from Sam's Beauty. I felt a little special. It's a synthetic lace front wig, Empress Edge, 3-way free part lace wig. It's called Brooklyn in the color 1. Let's go ahead and snatch this baby off. Alright, so I just slicked down my edges. Now I'm about to put the cap on. Shalom. The real question of the day is, can I make this synthetic wig look good? So far, so not good. So far. Please don't start getting tangled up. Okay, y'all, so finished product, but I think it's kind of cute. I tried to part it, you know, to make it look more like something, but I think I kind of like it. I can't really see. Hopefully it's cute. If not, I'm not twisting this. And let me show you guys how long it is. Yes, it goes down too, but thank y'all so much for watching. I feel like a little bit of like a Fashion Nova girl. You know, it's cute. I like it. I wish it wasn't whatever. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, whatever, if you feel like it. Let me know the next wigs I should do. I do have like 2 more I bought from Sam's Beauty, so I'm definitely gonna be posting some videos to that.